Hello, good morning. See, we have a balcony. I'll show you around. This is our balcony. I have a balcony here. See, this is our room. My room. This is our room. And look at that. It's so messy. I just woke up. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning. We have a balcony, so I'm gonna show you where we are now. I think we are going to close and I don't know, tomorrow we're gonna be in the Mexico. Just walk on. So this is our balcony, like that. It's very cool. Look at that. We have a private balcony here. All the way. The sea is gray. It's so deep. I don't know. I have no anything but the sunshine. Look at that. Sunshine. Yeah, just woke up. I need the glasses for this one. Balcony. We have 2 chairs and 1 table for a coffee breakfast. So nice, beautiful day. Oh, I don't want it too close. I'm scared. Beautiful sunshine. Thank you, Lord. Nice. Nice. Here comes the sunshine. Here comes the sunshine. Bye. Morning. Yeah, so we're awake. So this is our balcony, and this one here is beautiful day. Oh my God, oh my Lord. Thank you, Lord. Super nice day. Oh, look at the sunshine over there. Look at that. Oh, wow. A bit windy, but it's okay. Right. Hi. We're going to our breakfast too early. Oh my gosh. I cannot process too early. So I show around. So this is the lift. 1, 2, 3. See? So this is our lift. Let's go. Yeah, here. So we are like, look at that. It's so nice. This is like 14th floor. Oh, we're going down. I thought we were going up. So yeah, everything is here.
Deck 3.
Okay. Is it 3 or 4? 3? Oh, our 3? You sure? 3, Baday?
Yeah.
Where we go? We lost. We cannot find it. So this is it. The stairs over there, like that. Mayan, she just walked up. So we're gonna cross again another lift. Really? Is it here? Yeah. So we can't. We lost. It's. Look at that. Where is it? Chops Grill. Is that the other one over there? We can't find it. Is it the one?
Yeah, I'm not a morning.
Oh, okay. So this is our. We cannot find it. Where are they? It's so huge, as in super big, massive cruise. See, look at inside. It's just like you're in a mall, in a hotel, or like something. We cannot find them. I don't know where they. Yeah. So look at that. I'm wearing my glasses because my eyes so bad. I don't have eyebrows. For me, I'm fine. So we are here. Oh no. Oh my God. We can't remember now. I don't remember at all. I can't walk alone here because I can't remember. Mayan, she remember a bit. But she's grumpy morning girl because she's not a morning girl. She's a bit grumpy. Are we in the Sapphire dining room, blah blah blah? No, this is like in the 5th, so I think we are in the 4th floor. Are they? Are they here or here? Oh, we're not here. Yeah, morning. We can't find them. So where is the downstairs for breakfast? Three. We are in the 3.
We're on 5.
Yeah, we are in the 3. We went to 3, but we can't find. We don't know where we go.
If you go straight the staircase down here,
Yeah.
2 decks down, and you find the dining hall. That's the only place.
We go here.
Yeah, for the staircase, and then just down the dining room.
Just okay. We're gonna use our grumpy chops. Look at this, nice. Oh gosh, where is it? We can't find it. Is it the one? No, he said he down. Oh my God, this is like super. We don't know. Oh, here it is. We found it. Yeah, I'm not gonna use my glasses because it's just so bad. I don't know where are they. Hello, hello. It's windy outside. Look at that. Look at that. It's so nice. Look, windy. Oh.
You're dancing last night.
Hey.
See you in the disco again.
Yeah. See you tonight. Yeah. Look at this view. This is our cruise. We went to the Skylight Chapel. It's in the 15th floor. Oh my God, this is amazing. Amazing. The sky, the sea. What else I can ask for? Alright. Bonjour? Is it bonjour?
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias, Mexico? Wow. Alright.
Total distance
slowly, all
1.01
right.
kilometers.
Oh, this is a walking.
Total time 2 minutes.
We are in a
Burned
walking
45 calories.
path
Average
now.
pace 1 minute 58 seconds per kilometer. Spit pace 1 minute 58 seconds per kilometer.
Yeah. So we are in the walking. The other girls, I don't know where they are, but we are just here walking around. And good morning, good morning. I love it. Beautiful day. It's a beautiful sunshine. Yay. I have to tie my hair because it's windy here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Here. Little one here.
Oh, I thought you asked.
Let me show you girls.
Hello, Mexico.
Oh yeah.
Mexico.
Oh, Nito, can you?
Total distance 2.01 kilometers. Total time 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Burn 79 calories. Average pace 1 minute 43 seconds per kilometer. Spit pace 1 minute 28 seconds per kilometer.
Birthday girl. Birthday celebration.
Birthday. I don't know.
Tonight.
Thank you, girl. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that.
In the morning.
If you move, you don't feel cold, right?
Yep.
See that one? Oh my, there's a big ball over here. Inside my beautiful girl. Oh, Ate Ami is so beautiful, and Cherry as well. Yeah, I had her. This is like walking back. Oh my God.
You don't need medication.
And a lot of kabayans here. A lot of kabayans. Is that kabayan? Oh, hi kabayan. This is my vlog. Oh, kabayan here. Kabayan. Oh,
Don't work too hard. Huh? Slow down. This is called Kabayan. Another Kabayan here. Oh, Kabayan. And Kabayan. All Kabayan. Oh my God. Yeah. Yay. Fun, fun, fun.
Total distance 3.0 kilometers. Total time 5 minutes.
It's just close by. The sea and the skies. People are here. Here, there's a pool over there. Later, we're gonna change our clothes and we're gonna go swim. I know we're gonna wear our swimwear, and then we're gonna go to the hot tub. Yeah. So this is fun we have. The sea and the skies are so close now. Wow. We are close to Mexico. I think tonight. Tonight we're gonna be there, or tomorrow, te? In Mexico. Tomorrow morning, right? We'll be. Yeah, tomorrow night we'll be in our. Tomorrow morning we're gonna be in Mexico. So this is our fun day today. These girls
Total
are here
distance
jumping.
12 kilometers.
Yeah, look at them. They are
Total
so
time
fun.
19 minutes and
Yeah.
20 seconds.
Yes, like
Burned 430
That's so cool.
calories. Average per kilometer.
yeah. He likes like this. Oh my God, he's so cool. Selfie nga tayo. Oh, we can put it there. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. We put it here. Eh, ilagay natin ganyan. Yan.
It's my birthday celebration. Early birthday.
Put it here, pretend like it's
So I have a
necklace,
crown.
you know.
I have a princess today.
There she is, the golden girl.
Yeah, the golden, gold.
Not yet.
I'm right behind you in September.
Oh, thank you, girl.
This thing over here, this
Next month.
Oh, thank you.
That's the early one.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you, darling.
50.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
you
want
didn't
to
like
like
it.
it.
You just gave us.
You're gonna like
September.
that. I hope you like that one. You're gonna.
Of course.
I said like.
Of course.
Oh.
Where I'm gonna put this vlogging thing somewhere.
And what is this?
You're gonna send it to Kevin right away.
The girls are
He's gonna be like,
there.
what? You do like that? Somebody's gonna show you.
Pretty.
Really love
Advanced.
Who says it? I my hand. They clean them there one by one.
It's my
If
early
you complain,
golden girl birthday.
they don't So even the utensils, like they like right here, you see the water residue. Here they shine. Here they don't care. Come on, lady.
Girls, we can do the cheers. Cheers, we can do the cheers because the vlog. Now we can do the cheers again for the vlog. Yeah.
She's talking to the like.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. You look gorgeous.
Yeah. Whoa, yeah. I love the song. Bésame, bésame mucho. Ang sweet naman nilang dalawa. Aww.